Hello viewers, thank you so much for watching our channel. I'm called Agnes.
And I'm called Ruth.
Last time we learned how to make our beautiful local charcoal stove. Hope you guys learned how to make it. You can tell us your experience while making this local charcoal stove. It's very good and durable. So, as we promised you the other time, we are going to learn how to make local charcoal. Did you know that local charcoal exists? You can only know it from Lakwed TV.
Here in Lakwed TV is where you find wise people, wise women and men. Today we are bringing how to make local charcoal. The materials we are going to use, we have the water, we have the charcoal dust, we have the red soil.
The secret about this local charcoal, it keeps the heat, it takes long to burn, and you'll use less charcoal.
So, our viewers, please watch out what we are going to do and follow the process. You'll never regret. It's time to get dirty. Women who have pedicure or manicure, please. And you have artificial nails, please first remove them and put it aside so that we get dirty in doing this good dirty work. So we are going to mix the charcoal dust in the red soil I told you about. Then here we pour our water, pour a little bit, then we start mixing. We keep on mixing until the mixture is really ready. So our mixture is ready now. We are going now to start making the small round balls. This charcoal can dry for about 4 to 5 days. So you don't make too big, because when you are putting the charcoal stove, you will put some charcoal plus these ones. These ones you can put like 4 of them or 3, or even 2. It depends on what you are cooking. If you are cooking a light food, please just put like 2 of them. If you are cooking like beans, people who cook meat, you are cooking molokoni. This one you can put at least 4 of them. So after making the round balls, again we bring in this charcoal ash. So you make it black on the out part of it. The good thing about them that they are hot, they will just absorb the heat and they will take long burning.
Thank you so much for watching our channel Lakwed TV. As you can see, we are done with our local charcoal. You can also try it outside there. Don't be afraid to be dirty. You'll never regret the result.
As you see the wonderful work we have done today after our local charcoal stove. Now today we have made the local charcoal. This charcoal, to know that it's ready for cooking, you can pick one of it, you try to press. When you find out that it's very hard, it means that it's ready for cooking. So, and it depends even on the weather. Sometimes if it's very hot, it will take like maybe 3 days to get ready. If it's maybe rainy season, it can take like 4 days to get ready. Then it will be ready for cooking. Next time, we shall be showing you how to use it. Please keep watching all our episodes.
So guys, if you have not subscribed, please press the subscription button right now.
We love you all. Bye for now.